viewers. Welcome to Josiah GIS and Remote Sensing tutorial channel, ranging from beginner to advanced. Therefore, there's no need to worry about not knowing the fundamental or the basis of GIS and remote sensing using ArcGIS. Now, let's look at the objective of this tutorial. That's changing the map unit and projection. So currently the map unit is in decimal degree. So let's look at how to change it to our preferred map unit and projection, that is UTM, and also the meters in the unit in meters. So to do that, there are two ways. It's either you double click on the layer or you right click and go to data frame property. The same. Then you come to general. Within the general display unit, so this is the display unit, we have this decimal degree. So let's change it to meters. Apply. Let's come to our coordinate system and change it to projected coordinate system. So we come to projected coordinate system. That's UTM. The datum is WG84. Ghana is found within the northern hemisphere. And eastern region is found under zone 30. So this is zone 30. You can see it here. If you like, you can use the EPSG code, that's 32630. Okay, so you select zone 30, apply, and okay. So now you can see that our map unit has been changed to meters and our projection has also been changed to UTN zone 30. So this is the end of our tutorial. So stay connected. Make sure you like, you subscribe, and you share the video.